Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. And welcome to our evening edition show. We have a 2021 tax filing season alert. The IRS has just announced that the 2021 tax filing season is going to begin February 12th, 2021. That's kind of a hard pill to swallow for some people that has been, impacted by the coronavirus. You're going to have to, think about this for a minute. you know, IRS is not going to start, processing your tax refund until, February, 12th. Therefore, if you file your tax return with earned income tax credit or child tax credit, by law, that has to be held until February 15th, give or take, looking at about February 28th, so, the, the thing that's going to really matter, the most is, getting those tax advances, that is going to be able to put money in people's pockets, being able to help you pay for some of those bills, help you, pay the mortgage, pay the car note, buy the food, buy the groceries. You can't just, go off of a hope and a dream. You need some, money that's going to, help people that are struggling, especially during this pandemic. Money is going to be tight right now. And depending on what's going on with the government, but that doesn't mean that you wait until February 12th to file your taxes. What I'm saying is that as soon as you get that W-2, you need to file as soon as possible. But you want to make sure you know what your options are. Don't just go online and be a no-brainer, going in and just using TurboTax, because TurboTax is going to leave you to dry. Leave you to hang and dry is what I'm saying. TurboTax is going to deny you, that loan, and then you're going to be saying, well, damn, I got to wait all the way until February 28th or February 15th before they start processing my tax refund. If I had kids, or child tax credit, earned income credit, or if you had some educational credits, you went to school and got a student loan, you're not going to be able to get that money fund into your bank account. And so right now, the key, or I would say the king of the tax filing season right now is going to be tax refund advances. That's going to be king right now. And right now, people are going to really need that money, that's going to be able to put money in their pockets, and where you're going to get that from, there's many competitors out there that's going to offer the same product, same service, but discover the MKG difference. What is the MKG difference? We offer tax advances from 500 to 10,000, but however, you also have lenders that we work with that also offers you the, personal loans, as well as if, you try your chances with the bank, you want to have some insurance, a peace of mind, or at least some kind of a, backup plan that if you don't get that tax advance loan, from that company. But the one caveat is that we have to file your taxes here. We have to secure your tax return. We have to be able to file that return. You either have to have direct deposit, or use one of our prepaid debit cards that we provide for you. And so we can get you that money that you're looking for, get you that loan. Like I said, we do offer personal loans as well as business loans. So we're not just focusing on consumers. We're focusing on businesses too. We lend more. I would say that because the opportunities that we have and the license that we have, that allows us to lend to consumers. And most people, I say, well, gee, I don't want to have to pay a high interest loan. That's not the case here. If you took a $500 loan, you're looking at your interest rate of $15 a month. And that's kind of affordable for $500, especially if you got $1,000 and you're looking at $30. But however, that money is going to be taken out of your refund. It's not going to be something that is going to put you in debt. That money's going to come off the the top of your refund, and then the difference of that is going to go into your pockets. And so tax filing season is really going to be important now, because now they put it off till February 12th. I've been doing taxes for about 12 years now, and I've never seen them start as late as they did, as far as in February, almost the middle of February. Normally it's at the end of January. Get everybody off off and going, and open up the races, open up the gates to the races here. But right now it's going to be all the way pushed to February. So who knows what they're fine tuning and what kind of systems they're going to be using. Or, maybe they're, looking to see, how much, resources they can get and wait till the Biden administration comes in. He's talking about a, $1.9 trillion spending plan, that's going to be, after his inauguration. But, right now, the time is, important that, how are we going to get, this money in people's hands. How you going to be able to, stay afloat until, they Congress makes a decision on, getting you this third stimulus payment in your hand. And on top of, you're waiting on, when your tax refund is going to start getting funded. But believe it, MKG Tax Consultants, we are your licensed finance lender and your broker, and also your tax agent and your finance agent that you can depend on. We're here, all year long, and also something to think about, these tax advance loans is definitely going to end, February 28th. And so after that, there's going to be no more loans available from any tax office in the United States. However, we do offer tax advance loans all the way until October 15th. So you have 273 days to, apply for a tax advance loan with MKG Tax Consultants. So therefore that's going to be the deal breaker. If you're thinking about, going online, doing it online with TurboTax, once again, they're going to stop February 28th. Our, loans go all the way until October 15th, 273 days. That's 9 months. So if you want to look for a tax advance loan that's available for 9 months, I would really consider, looking at our options and seeing what we have. You can actually schedule a Zoom meeting with a licensed tax preparer or a finance agent. You can also schedule a meeting with Google Meet with a licensed tax preparer and finance agent. Or if you want to do it a distant online appointment, you can also do that, all securely online where you don't even have to come into a tax office. This stuff that we're offering you, you can get approved for a loan all online from the convenience of your mobile phone. We can also chat with us on WhatsApp. You can also, upload those documents, and send that to your client account, which is free. But once again, I'm gonna let my guy, Pete, speak for himself, and let you know that what MKG Tax Consultants can do. But this is going to be the game changer here.
Tax season is finally here, and you can't wait for those W-2s to come in. As soon as they do, well, the place to go is MKG Tax Consultants, locally owned here in Fresno. So what's so special about MKG? Well, you can use your last paycheck stub to pre-qualify for a tax advance. MKG makes it easy to file your taxes. You can even do it in person or by calling 866-675-3933 or with their free mobile tax app. You can file anywhere and get your max tax refund, free Uber rides. MKG will also loan you up to $2,510. All you have to do is qualify. No one else, including the big chains and other local shops, can do that. It's just the MKG Tax Time Loan Matching Program with a 90% approval rate. So if you want your tax refund now and don't want to wait until the end of February to check out MKG Tax Consultants today, call 866-675-3933, 866-675-3933, or visit us online at mkgtax.com.
Yeah, back to our show here, at least our newscast or our broadcast. Like I said, Pete, you heard it from Pete. You don't want to wait till the end of February to check out. So visit us online at mkgtaxconsultants.com. And like I said, if you don't have a ride and you're looking to, how I'm going to get to the office, we provide free Uber rides. That's just part of your tax preparation services. If you don't have a bank account, we provide prepaid debit cards. That's a part of your tax preparation services. If, you're looking to say, hey, I don't want to come in an office. I don't want to be around a lot of people. I'm scared of, the coronavirus, especially that new one that's out, H117. You can file remotely. We can actually send you an email to sign all your forms and all your documents, as well as do a Zoom meeting. We can do everything, from the convenience of your home. While you at work, you don't have to take time off of work to, rush to a tax office and miss that day of work, or, you can even do it on your lunch break. You can file your taxes on your lunch break and be, good to go. And like I said, we like to put money in your pockets by either Cash App. We use Venmo, and we also use Zelle. But, if you're waiting on a bank, you got to get that money direct deposited to your account, or, you'll come in and then pick up a check. We also do pickup and delivery service as well. We're very much of a friend of FedEx. You can FedEx us your documents overnight. We take care of all 50 states. All 52 states, I would say. We're not just here limited, to Fresno. We want to be able to, branch out and capture, that this bigger market of people, that is out here, trying to, make it through this pandemic, file these tax returns. You worked all year long. And, this is one time of the year where, you look forward to saying, you know what, I want to take that money. I want to pay off some bills. I want to pay down some credit card debts. I want to, buy a new car. Well, right now, you're going to go to a car lot and say, guess what? I got my W-2s, but I can't put that down payment on your car until, maybe February 12th, maybe February 28th. Well, if you sign on that contract and you drive off on that lot with that car and you don't make that payment in 30 days, then the repo man's going to come. For those of you who never had a repo man come to your door, boy, you know how them repo mans come. We're not going to be the repo man. We can wait it out, until you get your tax refund, and we can work with you on, trying to find some options and solutions for you on how we're going to get you this tax loan. Or, and if you get denied from a bank, we offer second chance financing. Once again, we offer second chance financing on how to get you a tax refund anticipation loan, based off your taxes. One of the things, you can't owe child support. You can't have a student loan in debt or defaulted. You can't, owe any money to the IRS or to the state or anything like that. But we also lend to businesses. So I'm gonna play this brief video about our business program that we offer, to loan money to businesses as well. I think it's a great fit. And here we go. We lend businesses based on affordability, with lower monthly payments and longer terms. Businesses can typically afford higher loans with our lenders. Loan size range from $3,500 to $250,000. Affordable payments. Loan terms from 24 to 120 months makes the monthly payments affordable. With fixed monthly ACH payments, borrowers no longer have to worry about daily repayment schedules, no prepayment penalties. Businesses can pay off as soon as they like, allowing them to save on interest and renew faster, and same-day funding. Money is credited to your account. Best of all, these loans can be funded as soon as 2 hours. Now that's fast funding. We count all business income from credit card transactions, cash and check transactions. MKG Money Service Business, California Department of Business Oversight, Finance Lender Law License 60DBO 45224. One of the requirements that we do make sure that people should have is that they just got to have a minimum credit score of $600. If a business has a credit score of $600, then and their cash flow is adequate enough to qualify, then a business can apply for a business loan. Time in business is about 3 months, 3 months of bank statements, credit score of 600, and so you're looking at anywhere. The minimum loan amount is $3,500, but the highest amount of money that a business can borrow is $250,000. So once again, no tax office is going to be able to help out our businesses, as well as help out our people that are working and out here just filing their taxes. So we take care of your personal and your business finances here at MKG Tax Consultants. If you're looking for a personal loan or a business loan, or we're looking for that that refund, that tax season advance, which is going to be right now the golden goose or the golden egg right now this moment in time, because February 12th. Gee whiz, that's let's do the math. That's about 28 days away. If you look at the math, we're here now February 15th, so that's 30, we're about 27 days away. What are you going to do between now and February 12th? If you're looking for that loan or looking for that, making ends meet in between the next paycheck, and you need that money. But if you don't need your money and you can wait till February 15th, or maybe February 28th, then you don't have to apply for a tax season advance. You can just wait for your money to come, and you can have some patience. But if you're looking to take that money and like I said, and borrow $500, maybe $5,000, $6,000, pay the $100 and something dollars, and get that money, and spend it, how you want, when you want, and where you want. and at the same time, if you're going through some financial struggles and some financial hardships, this is the way to go. Once again, MKG Tax Consultants, we offer, the personal and the business finances. We take care of business. We take care of our clients. We're not just, some fly by night, business. We've been around for over a decade, over 10 years. We got a good rating here with the Better Business Bureau, but we're pretty much, transparent on everything that we do. But once again, if you have a family or friends, send them to us. We're going to give you $50, for each person you send to us, and that's unlimited. You can earn some good revenue streams, or I would say some passive income by just, referring people, to come into our office, or even just apply online and, and just, put your name, with your contact info saying, hey, you referred this person to us. And once we say, hey, we can text message you, or we can verify and say, hey, did this person, recommend this person to file with us? You're going to say, yeah. And, once again, you're going to, if you have a Cash App, and that's how fast you're going to get your money, as fast as a text. If you have another one that we like to use is Venmo, then, you get that money as fast as Venmo. And if you have a Zelle, you get that, that referral or that send a friend as fast as, we can, push that out to you. But, once again, just don't fall for, the okie dokie here and just going into an office and, paying that, high price tag. And, you're going to come out, and they're not going to, give you the tax advances that, that you're going to be looking forward to. But once again, this is just our news alert for the day, and, we'll continue to update you as we get more information. But right now, the tax season advances are in, and once again, that's going to be available for 273 days. It's